Raceway. We'll see them during the halftime show, which kicks off about 2 o'clock.
The North American P-51 Mustang, designed and built in just 117 days. The first Mustang variant to see United States Army Air Corps action was the A-36 Apache. The A-36 Apache was a ground attack version of the P-51, powered by an Allison V1710 12-cylinder. It featured 6 M250 caliber machine guns, which would become the standard armament for all Mustang aircraft. And it had the ability to carry 2 500-pound bombs. Saw combat in North Africa, becoming the first United States Army Air Corps Mustang to see action. P-51B Mustang was the first Mustang variant to receive the Rolls-Royce Packard Merlin V1650. Rolls-Royce testers began experimenting on Mustangs. They settled on the Merlin 61 engine for an experimental Mustang known as the Mustang X. The engine boosted the top speed and high altitude performance. Packard was licensed to build the engine under the name V1650. With this engine, the true Mustang was born. Although the P-51B is the definitive version of the Mustang, the P-51B and C versions were 30-mile-an-hour faster, which was due to the 2 added machine guns. Mustang, 61 kill ratio in last year. The P-51H is the fastest version of the Mustang and one of the fastest propeller-driven engines of all time, achieving a top speed of 487 miles.
All right, next up is James Billingsley from Norwalk, Ohio. He'll be flying an EG Aircraft MX-2 powered by a DLE 111 engine, and he's running high-tech servos all around, and he controls it all with a Futaba radio.
I think it's a hobby.